Hi children, in this class we can know about the Himalaya range is made up of 3 rows of mountain ranges running parallel to each other. These are named based on their height. The Himadri or Greater Himalayas, the Himachal or Middle Himalayas, the Shivalik Hills or Outer Himalayas. So, the Himalayan range is made up of 3 rows of mountain range children. Himadri, Greater Himalaya, Himachal or Middle Himalayas, Shivalik Hills or Outer Himalaya. The Greater Himalaya, this is the northmost range of Himalayas. This range is a single unbroken line and is completely covered with snow. Hence it is called Himadri, which means snow mountains. The average height of this range is about 6,000 meters, and out of the top 10 highest peak in the world, 9 are in Greater Himalayas. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. It is the 8,848 meters height and is located in Nepal. Other important peaks are Nagabata, Barabat, Annapurna and Kanchenjunga. Mount Kailash is the other famous peak and is believed to be a abode of Lord Shiva. Is considered sacred by the Hindus and Buddhists. The Manasa Sarovar lake lies at the foot of Mount Kailash. Every year, thousands of pilgrims walk around this mountain on foot and bathe in the Manasa Sarovar lake. The snow-covered peaks of Greater Himalaya from thick sheets of ice and snows are called glaciers. There are like rivers of snow which melt and form rivers as they move downwards. Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers in Uttarakhand give birth to the Ganga and Yamuna river respectively. Similarly, Indus, Satluj and Brahmaputra rivers also arises from the Himadri. These snow-fed rivers flows throughout the year, carrying huge amount of fertile soil. Narrow gaps in the mountain ranges are called passes. In the past, traders and invaders entered India through these passes. Nathula, Lipilik and Shipki La passes connect India and China. Many mountaineers have scaled the great peak of the Himalayas. Edmund Hillary and Tenzin Norgay were the first ones who reached the top of the Mount Everest in 1953. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to achieve this. So, Himalayan range is made up of 3 rows of mountain range, that is Greater Himalayas is also known as Himadri. So, now we can see about Himadri. This is northmost range of the Himalayas. If you see here, it is northmost range of the Himalayas. So, this range, I will show in this map. You see children, in this Himalayan range is a single line. It's a single, but here unbroken lines and completely covered with snow. Here you can see unbroken lines. Yes or no? These lines are completely covered with snow, hence it is called as Himadri, which means snow mountain. The average height of this mountain is 6,000 meters of the top 10 highest peak in the world. So this range is about 6,000 meters, children, 6,000 meters, and out of top 10 highest peak in the world, 9 are in Greater Himalayas. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. Which is the highest peak, children? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak. It is 8,848 meter height. It is 8,848 meters, children, height, and it's located in Nepal. And other important peaks are Naga Parbat, Annapurna and Kanchenjunga. Mount Kailash is the very famous peak. Mount Kailash also is very famous peak. It is peak means it is a small mountain, and it is a small mountain and it is covered with snow, Mount Kailash, and it believed to be abode of Lord Shiva. So Mount Kailash is a famous peak. It's covered with snow and it's believed as abode of Lord Shiva, that is the home of Lord Shiva. It is considered as sacred by the Hindus and Buddhists, and it is considered as sacred holy place by the Hindus and Buddhists. Here the Manasa Sarovara lake lies at the foot of Kailash. Every year thousands of pilgrims walk around this mountain and bathe in the Manasa Sarovara lake. Thousands of pilgrims walk around this mountain. The snow covered peaks of Greater Himalaya in thick sheets of ice. See, children, the snow covered on the peaks of the Greater Himalaya. So the snow covered peaks of Greater Himalayas from thick sheets of ice and snow are called glaciers. So it is covered with a snow covered peaks of Greater Himalaya with thick sheets of ice, children, ice and snow called glaciers. There are like rivers of snow. Which melts from the river and they move towards Gangotri and Yamunotri. You can see here, exactly here, the Yamuna, the Ganga. So it flows towards here. It melts and it flows